In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an invoice template in Xero, ensuring your business documents are not only professional, but also reflect your brand's unique style. So let's get started by heading over to the Xero website. It's where all the magic happens and where you'll have all the tools you need to customize your invoices. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to look for a small arrow pointing downwards on the upper part of the interface. This is your gateway to the settings, where we can begin the customization process. Click on that arrow to reveal a drop-down menu. Now, among the displayed options, you'll find Settings. Selecting this option will take you to a new page filled with different settings you can adjust across your Xero account. When you're in the Settings area, you'll want to focus specifically on the invoice aspects. Look for the choice labeled Invoice Settings and give it a click. This is a critical step because once you're there, you've officially entered the zone where you can make all the necessary changes to your invoice templates. After opening the invoice settings, you should see an option labeled Options. Click this button. From there, the path to editing your invoice template becomes quite straightforward. You'll see an Edit choice. Clicking it opens up your template editor, and this is where you'll spend most of your time refining the look and feel of your invoices. Now that you're inside the editor, you have a range of customization options to consider. You might want to adjust the fonts that are used, the spacing within your documents, and even upload or modify the logo that appears on your invoices. It's all about creating something that's not only functional, but also visually appealing and aligned with your brand identity. Take your time to make the necessary adjustments. A well-designed invoice can really leave a lasting impression on your clients. When you've made all the edits you want, be sure to review everything carefully. Make sure the information is accurate and all the stylistic elements come together cohesively. Once you are satisfied with how your invoice looks, the final step is crucial. You need to save your changes. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom or the top of the page, and click it. Ensuring all your edits are saved means the next time you send out an invoice, it will feature your newly designed template. So there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully customized your invoice template in Xero. This not only helps you maintain consistency in your business communications, but gives your company that extra touch of professionalism. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing.